Ah!
Did he get you?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, a bit of blood. Yow.
Hey, there's something in the water just up here.
That's crazy. Beautiful. What's that? Oh no! He busted me off. Oh, look at these big. Oh no. I've never seen something like that before.
Hey, there's something in the water just up here.
Too bad. Kids one.
Bonus. And it had a little crab inside.
Good bait. See you, bud. I was saving this rig for tuna, but they're going to be little mackerel. Let's see if we get bitten off or not. Oh! That's a big cobia. That's a big cobia right there. Oh, that's a big cobia. Ah, that was a big cobia right there. Oh, snipped me straight off. Bloody mackerel. Far out. Leader and all. Damn it. Alright, let's give this a go. It's got wire on it. On something. He's badly hooked. Tail hooked. Hey, come back here. I don't want to put these on the boat. Just bleed out and make a mess. Right, well, after getting bit off, the mackerel will bite through mono just like a knife through soft butter. I'm bringing out my old homemade knife jig, and it has wire. So any toothy critters, good luck. Only problem is I couldn't be bothered tying on leader out here, so I've just gone the braid straight to the end of the wire. That's okay. Let's see how we go. Mackerel. No, on off. No, he's on. No, off. Ah. Look, on again. Damn. Mates are after it. Look at them all. So many mackerel. Most of them are around the 60cm mark. It's okay, because I need some crab bait for later this week. Ooh, is that a big cobia or a big shark hanging around? Alright, de-hooked. There's something down there. Mackerel. On and off. Look at them all. That's crazy. Beautiful. Look at the water. Come on. Someone's got it. Love the sound of the Saragossa. I don't think she's big. I know I went for a bit of a run, but it's not big. No. Another mackerel. Whoa. Hey, D-hook. Alright, makes it easier. So there's the answer. The wire does not seem to worry the fish at all. Good one. Nice catch. Oh, look at these big. Oh no. No, another big Trevally. A big school of Trevally chased it.
Good one?
Bigger one, yeah. No, no. Whoa, big check. What's a better size? Oh, come on. Yeah, another Emperor.
Oh.
Cool, finally.
Oh, that's a better one.
Hmm.
Top of the bottom.
Yeah. Oh yeah, another one.
Good.
About the same size. Grassy Emperor. Number 4. It's 40. No, it's not 42, it's got to be 32.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's well over. It's only got to be that big. Grassy Emperor. It's good. I haven't got that many before. I'd say you've got one. Yeah. How's your back?
I don't know how I'll go with this.
No? You wanna... Right up. Oh, he's on the bottom. He's got you on the bottom.
Gone.
No, I think it was snagged up.
Eh?
I think it was, felt like it was snagged up. Is he still on? Something on there? No, gone. Yeah. Something down there. No, you got a fish. I think it's a smaller Trevally. Maybe. Oh no, that might be a...
What was that before this?
Oh, he might have got you caught around the rocks. Looks like another Sweetlip. Something else at him. Poo. Go. Oh. Yeah, you might have had you wrapped around something.
Yeah, I
Maybe.
reckon it was.
Hey mate. What you got there?
Oh,
Another mother-in-law, I think. Is it? Yeah, bring it up. Sweetlip. Yeah, there's a bit of size to him. A bit of weight. Yeah, you can't eat them.
What's the proper name for?
Sweetlip.
Eh?
Sweetlip.
Oh, it's a sweetness.
Sweetlip.
What do you eat this?
Mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Did eat any fish, I reckon, but they don't taste good. I've never tried them, but... Oh, what is that? Oh no, he busted me off. He busted me off. Big one. Oh, bloody hell. Oh god.
Yeah? What? Oh, really?
Oh, he's a long way from coming up.
Behind you.
I must have come around the back there. Yeah, you just go back to your seat, it's alright. That's where you are. Yeah, no.
Okay?
Yeah, I just want to need a better angle on that.
What can I do?
Nothing.
Reckon it's a fish or a...
No. Fish, I reckon. I think it's a big golden Trevally. Oh, he's a big one. Oh, straight on my back. Look at the size of him. He might pull through the net. Boy, I'll need to give you a hand, I reckon. Oh, look at the size of him.
Bloody hell.
Jeez.
Oh, God. Get a photo of that one.
Oh, he's massive. About 93, 94 centimetre.
Yeah, you got well done. Bit of a battle getting in there.
Big flight.
Shame you can't eat him.
Yeah, he'll go back.
Yeah, good one, Sam.
And a crab, look at that. Wow, Tommy. Look at
Wow.
that. A crab and a giant starfish. I've never seen something like that before. Look at that. What a catch. I've never seen starfish and a crab pot before. It's amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Keep going. That's it. I think he's small. Ah!
Did he get you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, small, but nah. But he got me good. Just about, oh, yeah, a bit of blood. Yow.
So after a few trips out on the water in really good winter weather, we got a good feed of fish, including the Grassy Emperor, some crimson snapper and some Spanish flag or stripey sea perch. And we got that feed of nearly a dozen blue swimmer crabs, which are absolutely beautiful, especially done in this curry the way that we had them. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next episode. Cheers.